paints. Today we are going to build the set 71763. Its name is Lloyd's Race Car EVO. It's a Lego NİNJAGO set. It has 2 cars plus 3 minifigures in it. The big one is Lloyd's car, the small one is another car before the snake. The minifigures are really cool. And I really like the set, so I bought it. So let's build it. Enjoy. One, two. Oh, there's another one. 4. Instruction book plus the sticker sheet. Let's go. we finished the set, guys. So first I'll show you Lloyd's car. Lloyd's car is a cool car based on probably Lloyd's Nightcrawler, which was made like 4 years ago. And I like the flag in here, which is showing the Monastery of Spinjitzu. There's a cool place in here. I don't know what to call it. So there's a green piece in here with a sticker that is so cool. So I like that one. The car's wheels are never used before in any set. I think it's only used for the Nightcrawler. One of the play features in here is there's a disc shutter in here. Yeah, there was a disc shutter. There's like a piece that I don't really know how to call it. It has a lot of stickers. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, this is the most upgraded one. Yeah, this is the most upgraded one. So I don't want to show you the other parts because I don't want to ruin the car. Oh, yeah, and now I can start with the minifigures now. Okay, so first minifigure here is Lloyd. You can change his hairpiece you can change his max piece to a hairpiece. There's the katana sword of him in here. It's green. So Lloyd is really a cool minifigure. Oh, I forgot. There's a second face of him. He looks like that in the second face. So we are finished with Lloyd. Next is the Python mechanic. It has 2 places where he shoots fire. Also, he has 2 extra arms for grabbing stuff, I guess. So that was the Python mechanic. He's cool. The back of the Python mechanic is like this. Yeah. And if we get this thing out of his head, the back of his torso piece looks like this. Okay. Wait a second. So that was the Python mechanic. And the third one is the little Python, who has a gun plus dynamite. Oh, and he rides this small car, which is really good. Yeah, it looks cool. And there's a cool sticker on here, which is one of the coolest stickers. So this set was like that. I enjoyed making this set. Lego Ninjago is awesome. There's also a TV series, as the fans know. Okay, so that this set is over. This set was cool and I enjoyed making it. 1 month before, I also made Kai's car, EVO. Kai's race car, EVO. This was dated last year. This year. So it came this year. That car also has a cool play feature, like you can open the cockpit and you can close it back. Not like this feature doesn't include that feature in Lloyd's car. There's 2 blades on the sides of the car. It has some really cool stickers and has the same thing on the back like Lloyd's car. But unlike Lloyd's car, this doesn't have a flag. This doesn't have a flag, and also it has a steering wheel which can turn like this. So this was also a cool car, and I enjoyed making this set 1 month before. So today we made Lloyd's car, and 1 month before we made Kai's car. and both of them were really enjoyable to build, and I built them so quickly. I'll probably buy more Ninjago sets in more days, in new videos, and make it in videos. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, share the video if you want to, and click that bell button so you can get my newest videos at no time. Bye bye!